Hey, good day, everybody. Here we go. This is today's doings, everybody, on this blessed Good Friday. There, the girl started dishing the pickle fish, and that is how it looks beautiful and delicious, everybody. Check that color. Smoky Joe spices that was used, people. Nice. There we have the hot cross buns. We are so grateful for God for the provision, everybody. Ek weet nie wat maar hy een yfie daar nie. There we go. That's my job. I'm busy packing out the hot cross buns on the pickle fish, and we are getting ready to serve the people, everybody. We are so grateful that we were able to make 200 of these portions today through the grace of God and the love and the support of amazing people. So that is how it looked, everybody. Just more and more coming. The girls were busy. Girls is a little bit camera shy. I said, nee dada, die camera is vir jou, nie vir ons nie. There we go, everybody. Kyk hoe lekker en mooi lyk die. Daar's die party packets that we blessed the children with. The children enjoyed a nice party packet. We managed to have just enough party packets to be a blessing to the kids. Hier's die manne is hard besig om te werk. Hey, Mr. Caleb, die manne is hard besig, everybody. They were very busy today. Koop babes en die manne vat die manne gou 'n breekie met hulle coca, so. En Mr. Boerseun, daar's hulle druk besig aan die coke. And everybody, what an awesome day this was. Thank you very much for the love, the praise, and the support. God bless you all.